Please go to the Stutter Talk homepage and click Start to Use. Click for Windows button. Click Download Virtual Audio Cable. Click Show in Folder. Right-click the downloaded VB cable driver. Click Extract All. Click Extract. Find VB cable setup x64. Right-click it, then click Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the pop-up window. Click Install Driver. Launch Microsoft Store. Search Stutter Talk. Click Get button. When finished downloading, click Launch button. In Settings tab, choose Cable Input VB Audio and Chat App Output. Select a language and gender. Click Apply button to update settings. In Zoom, select Cable Output VB Audio Virtual Cable and select a microphone section. Now you can type here to talk. Your voice will be transferred to meeting participants. Enjoy your meeting.